In this video, I'll show you where to find the OBD port, the VIN number, and the paint color code on a BMW F22. First, the OBD port. It is located under the steering wheel on the left side. There is no cover. The OBD connector is directly visible. Now let's move on to the VIN number. The VIN can be found in 3 different locations. The first location is on the driver's side door pillar, on the strut tower area. There are 2 stickers, one higher and one lower. On the lower sticker, you can also find the paint color code. In my case, the paint code is 300. The second VIN location is under the hood. On the right side, stamped on the chassis rail. And the third VIN sticker is located on the passenger side door pillar. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.